Simpson. Poxa.
Perfectly what you're feeling right now. And perhaps if I were in your place, I would also consider selling the ranch. But I think you're talking like this because you're angry. No, I'm not angry. I'm frustrated. Yes, I know. And that's the reason why this is not the right time to make important decisions. I can't see another way to fix the situation. I know you're a very strong woman, madam. And I'm sure that you will get this dealt with. Yes, but I don't have that strength right now. Do you know where strength comes from? From here. Whenever you doubt yourself, put your hand on your heart and you know what to do. Thank you for your words, Bernarda. And thank you for believing me. Over here at La Esperanza, we are a family. And you will always have our support. Please don't give up on all of this, madam. I'll see my people now. Yes, all right. Oh, do you know what happened to Aurelio? Yes. Senators told me that he was seriously injured, but they will take him to the medics. They didn't manage to get him on time. He passed on.
Clemente! I would like to talk to him as soon as he is over.
Listen, when the Ramirez agrees that he's fit to do that, I will let you know.
Well, I sure hope he can give us some answers soon.
Mr. Ortiz, please understand, justice must be done.
It will be. You can be sure of that, mister. Excuse me.
Senator, you need to get some rest.
No, Marco, no. I have to know that everyone is fine, and I also have to find a way to help Aurelio's family. I don't have any time now.
So how will you get the ranch back on its feet?
I don't know. The most sensible action is to sell the ranch. So if you or anyone who might be interested, please make sure you let me know, okay?
Yes, yes. Of course I will. I will help you find the best buyer and